Let's see what happens when we strike these. Do you notice the difference in their sounds? What do you think causes this difference? Characteristics of sound called pitch and loudness cause this difference. Let us look at each of them. Any sound you hear has pitch. You can have high-pitched or low-pitched sounds. When you are taught to sing do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, you raise your voice from the note do to the note ti.
Do, re, mi, fa.
Your voice reaches its highest point on the note ti.
Sol, la, ti.
What you are doing here is changing the pitch of your voice from the low-pitched do
Do,
to the high-pitched ti.
ti.
The tone of this man laughing results in a low-pitched voice, whereas the tone of this kid laughing results in a high-pitched voice. Thus, sounds can be loud or soft depending on the amplitude. Look at what is happening here. And look what happens now. Observe this. What do you understand by this? Loudness depends on the distance between the listener and the source of sound. Loudness depends on the magnitude of the vibrations. Have you been through the experience of finding some sounds disturbing, very noisy? Funnily, what may be noise for you can be music for someone else. At the same time, there are some sounds that are plain noisy, whoever be the listener. In other words, pleasing sounds are like music to our ears, and unbearable sounds are noise. Thus, we differentiate sounds as either music or noise. Let us find out the difference between the two. Noise is any unwanted sound. It can be that of a crying baby, or barking dogs, or the neighbors playing loud music. Do you enjoy the sound of soft music? Yes, you would if it was pleasing to your ears. So how is sound produced? Sound is produced by the vibration of bodies. When vibrations produce waves in regular patterns, the result is a pleasant sound. Why do musicians wear ear protectors during concerts? The sound produced by the musicians make their eardrums vibrate. So musicians wear earplugs to prevent their performances damaging their hearing. Noise is any unwanted sound. The presence of unnecessary or unwanted sounds in the environment leads to noise pollution. Unwanted noise can damage your physical and mental health. Let us look at some of the unwanted sounds that cause noise pollution. Of late, one reason for noise pollution is the increasing number of vehicles on the road. The bursting of crackers and the use of musical bands during festivals and ceremonies also contribute to noise pollution. Noise is also produced by household gadgets such as television and music systems played at high volumes and kitchen appliances. So, what are the ill effects of noise pollution? Persistent and long exposure to loud sound can cause headaches, hearing loss, tiredness, irritability, and sleep disorders. Lack of concentration and mental fatigue are the other health effects of noise. Not only humans, but animals and plants are also affected by noise pollution. When it affects vegetation, this results in poor quality crops. Even marine animals are affected by noise, especially the noise of underwater blasting and drilling. So what can you do to reduce noise pollution in your environment? Most of the noise generated is associated with our daily activities. If you live near a noisy area, you can control noise in your home by installing double-glazed windows, curtains, etc. The noise from radios, music systems, television sets can be minimized by operating them selectively and at the required volume. Using regularly serviced and well-maintained silencers can reduce noise levels. Prohibit the use of loudspeakers except for important functions. Use sound-absorbing material and design building to reduce noise levels. Workers overexposed to noise should be made to wear earmuffs and earplugs. The planting of trees reduces noise pollution as they absorb sound.